The engine compartment of a 1990 Ford F-150 pickup truck with a 5-liter V8. What we're about here is to demonstrate how to install the fuel cell that creates hydrogen and oxygen that we use to run this vehicle. To start off, we'll begin in the lower left-hand corner, and we'll begin with the battery. We need a 12-volt battery, and if you look close, you'll see a lead off of that battery right there where it's red with the yellow connector and black. And that lead goes around and follows itself all the way over and down over to the fuel cell where you see it's connected to the positive side.